Ever wonder how to keep more money in your pocket by filing your own taxes? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to file your taxes for free. No need to break the bank with expensive services. The platform I use is H&R Block. First, you want to pull up the H&R Block website, which is www.hrblock.com. Once you have navigated to the website, you will be asked to create an account. Click the Sign In button, which will drop down to an option to create the account. When you click on Create Account, you will be redirected to a page where you will fill out your email, your password, and your password again. Then you will hit Confirm. Once you have created your account, you will automatically be brought to your home screen. You will then have the option to get started. When you click on Get Started, you will be asked, would you like a tax pro to help you do it, or would you like to do it on your own? Click, I want to do my own taxes. Once you have established with H&R Block that you are filing your own taxes, you will need to tell H&R Block a little about yourself. For example, if you have children, student loans, and etc. After providing the basic information, you will see H&R Block will offer you the free version. The free means you are filing taxes completely on your own. If you are willing to pay for help, you can click No, choose a different product. If you would like to see the different options, this is a page you will see. After selection the option that is best for you, you will begin to file your taxes. If you have never filed before, and this is your first year filing, you will click the last box that says, I didn't file a tax return last year. Then you will begin to put in your basic information such as your name and your birthday. You will then be asked a few more questions such as, were you a U.S. citizen in 2023 and were you a student in 2023? Once you finish answering your basic questions, you will then dive into your income by pressing Start Now. Next, you will be given a few options on how you want to enter your W-2 information. You can upload a PDF of your W-2, you can snap a picture of it, or you can enter your information manually. For this video, I'm going to show you how to enter your information manually. Your W-2 form has boxes that have letters and numbers that label each box. You will take the information in your labeled boxes off of your W-2 form and plug them in on your tax form. For example, everything in box B from your W-2 form, you will type in box B on your tax form, and so on until you complete each box. For reference, if on your W-2 form box 16 is empty, on your tax form you will leave box 16 empty as well. After plugging in your W-2 information, you will then be asked to put in your deductions and your credits. Once you have completed this small section, you will see an overview of everything you have put in so you can review and make any corrections as needed before moving on. After you have verified all the information you put in is correct, you will see the amount that you are getting back for your 2023 tax return. Then you will choose how you would like to receive your payment. You will have the option of a paper check, a direct deposit into your bank account, or an Emerald card. After choosing how you want to receive your payment, you will then receive an email confirming that the IRS has received your tax form. Then you wait for your return.